Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of allowing someone to send pictures in a Telegram group chat. If you're an admin and want to grant specific members the ability to share images, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Go to the group chat where you want to allow someone to send pictures. Please note that this will only work if you are an admin and the person you want to grant permission to is not muted. Step 3. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the options until you find the Members section. Tap on it to view the list of group members. Step 5. To grant the ability to send pictures to a specific member, tap and hold on their name. A menu will appear, and then tap on User's Permissions. Step 6. Inside the User's Permissions menu, you'll find various options. Look for the option that says Media, and tap on the arrow next to it to expand the options. Then, enable Pics by tapping on the toggle switch. By following these steps, you can allow someone in your Telegram group chat to send pictures, enabling them to share visual content and enhance the group's communication experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.